So I wanted to show you guys a quick video of how we are going to do some repairs up on this metal roof. We've been doing some work up here. You can see we foamed in the ridge cap here. But these guys have had a lot of issues they're complaining about with these vents leaking. What you've got is a combination of things. Number one, the wind hits these things and they move. You've got an open purlin structure, and if you guys can see where I'm walking, I'll try to show this best. You can see that metal moving through there. It causes everything to crack out, and then you can see where the sheet metal guys have done work and it's moved over time. It causes issues. The biggest problem they have, talked about this in a couple other videos, is right back here. You can see how you put this flashing right on top, and then as it over time it's pushed down. Now it's holding water back here. You can see there's all kinds of areas for it to leak. I peeled some of this back off, but this is all loose, and it doesn't get to hold until you get away from that water right in there. So you see that here, see that there. Solution's going to be this. We are going to foam in this whole area. So we're going to take from where I'm sitting right here. I need to get flipped around. We're going to run up this line. I'll try to get my foot on the panel here and show you guys all the way up to the ridge. We're going to come 2 foot out. You can see where I put some paint right here. We're going to mark that in, and we're going to come all the way over here and spray an entire section of this roof. Probably going to spray it about 1.5 to 2 inches. We'll see how strong it is when we get done. We'll kind of adjust that as we need. We're going to wrap all this structure in so we get it away from there so there's more strength. We're going to take away the ponding water so water doesn't collect back there anymore. You can see it's got a good cricket system in it. In addition to that, we're gonna foam flash this in all the way up to about right here, about 2 inches up, and then we'll go ahead and coat it a couple inches past that. But what we're trying to do is, you can see where they come back and caulked and caulked and caulked and caulked some more, all the way around this thing, trying to track down and diagnose leaks. Nobody really knows where to find them because it is just very difficult on these metal roofs. So we're gonna create a roof within a roof system. We're in addition gonna do the same thing over here. These other 2 vents, I'll try to show you as well. You can see where I've painted it in right here, but we're going to go right from where my foot is all the way up, and we're going to come over to this point here and run all the way up as well, creating its own roof system. Exact same process over here. As time goes on, we'd like to do this for all the other penetrations. The small ones we don't have to do this on, obviously, but where it's holding and backing up water, they're having similar issues all the way around. You got some vents over there we'd like to just take off at some point, but that's kind of as budget allows. We want to show them a solution, something's going to last 15 to 20 years. The roof is in good shape. We've talked about overall condition. They're going to spend some money fixing some things that were done incorrectly previously. You can see the foam ridge here that we've taken and closed everything in all the way down, so that's no longer going to be a leak issue as well.